Alright guys, so I'm parked here at the parking lot backwards. So I'm going to make a right here. Make sure you indicate or signal and scan before you go. So it's kind of a little rainy here, so let's make a left here. There's a sign that this is a one-way street, so everybody's turning left here. So I will make a left here at Kenora Avenue. It's a one-way stop, so I need to make sure both left and right lanes are clear and I'm safe to go. So I'll turn here. The guy is giving way to me. He waved at me because kind of little traffic down there. And then I will do 50 here because I don't see any signs. So I do 50 my speed. Okay, so don't forget to scan one of your mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds. That's very important too. And again, every time you make a single turn, make sure you signal and you scan your blind spot. Check your blind spot. So on this coming traffic light, I will make a right here at Barton Street East. So the light is red, so I need to stop for 3 seconds and feel the traffic, and I will turn here because the cars are turning left. I'm very safe to go, so I'll drive again 50 here because I don't see any sign. And make sure every time you switch lane, they will make you turn left here, or they will tell you we will make a left at the light, at the coming traffic light. So you need to switch lane. So make sure when you switch lane, you check your blind spot, you give your signal, and make sure you check your blind spot twice every time, so the examiner won't miss it. This is important, very important to check your blind spot when you're switching lane. And then we'll enter this designated lane here. We'll make a left here at Nash Road North. So there are cars in front of me, so make sure you have a safe stopping distance. It's around a car length, or to be logical, if this car's in front of me break down, I can move around without even going backwards. Alright, so remember that. So always keep a distance. If you stop and you don't see their tires very well, like what you are seeing right now, then you are very close. Okay, so actually it turns arrow, but we didn't make the arrow, so I will wait again here behind the white line. I will wait for this guy to clear up the intersection. I'm not gonna follow him or tailgate him. Remember that, because it's very busy. If the light will turn red, you don't want to get caught in the middle. Alright, so again, drive safe, is smooth, and be confident on your driving. Now start to clear up, so I follow, I check on my own. There are cars, so I need to wait here. Don't go more than half of the intersection. The light turns yellow, make sure there's no cars beating the red light. I go, and again I do 50 here because I don't see any speed sign, and I need to move to the right after I turn left. Okay, because we need to drive on the driving lane, which is the right side. The left side is the passing lane. Okay, remember that. Alright, so we will make we'll go straight. Okay, and then they will make you switch lane here, or they will tell you we will turn left at the coming traffic light, so we have to switch lane. Okay, and then the light turns green, so this is Kentley Drive. It's still an arrow, so I go assertively. Make sure you not too slow when you turn, because it's an arrow, that's our friend. So it's 40 here. This is kinda their residentials here, So drive 40, be aware of your speed. Always scan one of your mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds. I want to remember you that always so you don't forget. And then we will make a right here at Oakland Drive, so it's an always stop. So make sure you know whose turn is it, if you came second or first. So first come first to go. And then at this area we'll do our we'll perform our maneuvers. Okay, they will ask you to do downhill and uphill, parallel parking, and 3-point turn. I'm not gonna do those, but I'm gonna do 3-point turn to go back. Okay, so make sure you signal, you scan. Don't forget to scan, very important. And don't hit the curve, control your speed. So signal, scan, check your blind spot, and then drive smoothly. So remember, it's 40 here. You start scanning again one of your mirrors. Always scan around, look for dangers. Okay, so we'll make a left here at Oakland Drive. It's an always stop. So first come first to go. That guy came first, so now it's my turn. I came second, so that's how you deal with the stop sign. And then I drive 40 again here because it's 40 here. Okay, so be aware of your speeds. It's kind of a wide road, so as for 40, so make sure you drive. You can see the sign there at the top. And then we'll make a right here at Nash Road North, so it's green, there's no pedestrians, so I check early so I can turn confidently. And then I do 50 here because I don't see any sign here. Again, scan your mirrors, monitor your speed. Okay, don't forget those. Always look for danger, scan. Okay, so just drive. Don't go out of your lane. Make sure you're on your lane. Don't straddle lane. Okay, scan. Don't forget that. Okay, guys. So before I forget, if you like this video, if you're getting something on it, so please subscribe on my channel and hit the thumbs up, and that will help me to build more videos for new drivers and for the student who want to get their license. Okay, thank you for watching again, and please subscribe. Okay, so we'll make a right here. So it's a green light, so we turn, make sure there's no pedestrians. Always check, don't just follow cars, check on your own. Okay, so let's drive 50 here on this street. So always scan, mirrors, and then we'll make a left here at the traffic light, so they will make you switch lane or ask you to turn left at the light. So we're gonna move here on the extreme left, and then we'll left here at Kenora Avenue. Okay, so we're almost done. The test is almost done, and it's very short drive, very easy here in Hamilton. It's not that busy. So again, guys, so when you have a test here, you might go down early here so that you can practice around. Follow this video. Okay, it's an arrow, so we turn, and then let's drive 50 again here. Right now I'm just doing 45 here just because it seems a little narrow road to me. That's fine, 45, because I don't see any sign here. So still scan, look for dangers so that we can avoid it. And then we're here now on test center, so we make a right here on this driveway here. Make sure you check blind spots, scan the pedestrian. If there are pedestrians, be careful here. So much pedestrian here. Today is a busy day. It's a business day. Then we will make a left here. Okay. So that's your test here. We just need to go park in the parking spot here. And then that's it. That's your test, guys. So thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe on my channel. And then thanks a lot. Always take care. Bye bye.